Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Kangsoi. It's an indigenous dish of Manipur. It's an oil-free dish made with veggies. It's an all-season friendly dish. Main ingredient used in cooking Kangsoi is fermented fish. It enhances the taste of Kangsoi. Almost all vegetables can be used like carrot, beans, cauliflower, cabbage, potato, any veggies of our choices. It's basically vegetables boiled with smoked, fermented and sometimes fried fish. So let's get started. Take a small piece of cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 potato, a small piece of ginger, some beans, 3 green chilies, 3 to 4 fermented fish. So now we can chop all the vegetables. You can see that I haven't peeled the skin of the potato as it's a healthy source of fiber, vitamin and iron. Usually for Kangsoi, potatoes are cut into disc-shaped pieces. You can always experiment with different shapes of cutting veggies. So we'll chop all the veggies and keep it aside. Take water in a pot and boil it. When the water starts boiling, we'll add the vegetables and you can also add more water if required. Now we'll boil it until the vegetables are being cooked. So in the meanwhile, we'll prepare the fermented fish. For that, reduce the flame to very low. Take the fish and smoke it from all the sides and keep it aside. Smoked fish gives a unique flavor to the Kangsoi. Clean it and chop it. Now you can see that the vegetables are being cooked well. In this stage, we'll add the smoked fish, chili, ginger, salt as per our taste and also chopped 1 tomatoes and cook it for another 5 more minutes. Now we'll increase the flame and boil it well. We can see that the vegetables are being cooked well. Now we'll turn off the flame and garnish it with coriander leaves. We can see that Kangsoi is ready. Hot soupy curry with freshly steamed rice for a healthy filling meal. So friends, try this healthy and oil-free dish and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.